So in this video we'll be understanding sleep. What and how does it happen? Cellular metabolism occurs in our body. For understanding cellular metabolism, please refer my short video. Right? So क्या होता है? Then what happens? Now when this happens, a byproduct known as adenosine is generated. This adenosine goes and adheres, or rather binds to a receptor. It happens this way. Okay, so this is keeping on happening, and more adenosine is adhering or binding to the receptor site. Alright, so if more the activity or more the stress, so more the metabolism, so more the generation of adenosine. Alright, so more the generation of adenosine, more the adenosine receptor complex. Now what does this adenosine receptor complex do? This slows down the activity of neurons throughout our body. Alright, this is happening in brain. So it slows down the activities of neuron gradually in our body, and it provokes us to sleep. So you would find that when there's more of stress or more of activity in a day, we would get good night sleep. It's all owing to adenosine receptor complex. The more physical or mental stress we have throughout the day, the more we would sleep at night. Why? It's purely because of adenosine and receptor complex which happens in our brain. More of this would be generated, so that would be slowing down activity, more of neurons gradually, and so we would get more of sleep. Now let's try and understand what caffeine does to sleep. Alright, physical and mental activities are on as usual, so cellular metabolism also occurs as usual, and since cellular metabolism occurs, so adenosine byproduct is being generated as usual. So what is unusual? We have consumed caffeine. So what caffeine does is, caffeine blocks the path of adenosine towards receptor, the binding site. Now since it blocks this site for adenosine, so this doesn't occur. Now since this doesn't occur, and if this would have occurred as we saw earlier, then it would have slowed down activities of neurons gradually and would prepare you for sleep. Since this is not happening, so receptor, the binding site, is free of adenosine, so you don't feel sleepy. Alright, so you don't feel sleepy. So sleep is taken care of by caffeine. How does caffeine assist in generating energy in our biological system? Let's proceed and understand.